In front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources in this phone. So first of all, let's open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now locate privacy protection. Then go a bit lower and click on other permissions. Sorry, not here, special permissions. Then go a bit lower again and you will notice install unknown apps, smoothly mark it. And here you can give permission to some particular application. For example, if you'd like to install something via 3D Mark, just click on the switcher, wait a couple of seconds because here you've got the important warning, as you can see, allowing this app or any other app from unknown source might pose the following risk, and here you've got them listed. But if you still want to do it, just click on accept. And from now on you will be able to install apps via this source. And obviously you can do the same thing for any other app that you would like to give this permission to. So this is it. This is how you can activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.